Tomorrow, the timeline is this. Those of you farther north, like north of Kansas City, we're talking extreme northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas, you'll start getting into light snow in the middle of the day tomorrow. And you could get up to a total of 2 inches by tomorrow night. We're going to see some of that filter in a little farther south here in the metro area, probably by tomorrow night. That's probably why we're going to have anywhere from a dusting up to maybe a half an inch in locations like north of the river, and then of course the metro. So that's one round, but then the biggest round for everybody is going to be on Tuesday, where you have the moderate snowfall moving in, and we can have anywhere from 3 to 6 inches as an average around the metro area. In some pockets, maybe more than 6, just due south of here. Maybe like Butler, Missouri, okay, areas like that. I'll give it to you on map-wise here. But this is the timeline for your precipitation, all right? We'll get more about the Arctic air in just a second. But as of right now, these are estimates based on the data I've looked at today. Now, we'll have more data tomorrow. These numbers will be subject to change, but as of right now, it does look like 1 to 2 inches for those of you like St. Joseph, Maryville by late tomorrow night. And again, this is the beginning of the snowfall that's moving in. And then when you look at the metro area, I really think it's going to be less than an inch for us. But then as you get late tomorrow night into your Tuesday after midnight, this is where the bulk of it is going to hit. And it's going to be kind of a steady light snowfall, moderate at times. And we're talking about 4 to 5 inches at least, 5 inches plus, possibly in the metro area. The farther south you go, it could be like 6.5 inches in Butler. We're not going to rule out the pockets of 7. It's just really based on the amount of moisture and things to work with those elements coming together by tomorrow. And again, more data will come in, but this is what it looks like as of right now. And once the snow's in place, the Arctic air is going to be in place for some time. Now let's jump to the temperatures. These are low forecasted temperatures for the next 5 days. Look at the low on Tuesday morning. Temperature-wise, 0. -4 Wednesday, -10 Thursday, -5 on Friday. And get the wind speeds kicking up. You're going to have wind chill factors, no doubt, approaching -30, especially on Thursday, okay? What about those wind chills? Anywhere from -10 to -30. And I'm talking Tuesday through Friday in the early morning hours, okay? And that doesn't mean, that means if your exposed skin is out there for not very long. In fact, you can get frostbite from this. That's how cold it's going to be. I'd be a little more concerned about the dangerous cold air than I would be about the snowfall. Now, right now, there's a beautiful shot of the plaza, but it's at 19 degrees. Our wind flow about 11 miles an hour, humidity at 51%. And those of you like in Trenton at 15, you're down to 15 in Maryville. Hiawatha, you're at 16, Paola at 22, Warrensburg at 23. And there's the core, Fargo's at 0. That's the colder air that's heading this way. It's going to set up camp for about 4 days with us. So 9-day forecast. 8 degrees tomorrow morning with the light snow moving in with a high of 19. And even though with the 19 degrees tomorrow, look at the wind chill, about 7 above 0, 8 above 0 around the afternoon. And that's just a taste of it. Now, Tuesday, high of 5, wind chill down to -16 with the snowfall. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, look at the wind chills, -15 and -30 on Thursday. Temperature. The high only 8 degrees, -10 that morning, 16 for a high on Friday. We climb out of this next weekend with a high of 28. And yes, how will it feel to feel 40 degrees on Sunday and then 48 the following Monday?
The cold's coming. Thank you so much, Pete. Stay prepared for changes in the forecast with our KMBC 9 News app. Here you'll get access to Kansas City's most experienced weather team. Search KMBC in the App Store for the free download.